Today we are at a beautiful park on a hot and sunny day, and we are going to make a delicious and easy recipe, Paneer Tikka Skewers. Let's get started. Take a big bowl and add a hung yogurt. There are no measurements because these are actually all according to your taste and quantity. Add coriander cumin powder, chaat masala, red chili powder for spice, garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric, and salt to taste. Add kasuri methi, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, lemon juice. Mix well and besan for thickness. Mix well. Add paneer cubes. Add bell pepper, onion, tomato, and coriander leaves. Mix everything gently. Rest for some time to let the flavor be set. Take skewers, add paneer and vegetables on the skewers. Put the skewers on the barbecue. Brush oil on both sides. Cook well and smoke if you want the extra flavor. Garnish with chaat masala and lemon juice. Paneer Tikka skewers are ready. Enjoy! Like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this.